Critical Library Mismatch Involving the Network Device Installer DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll help you get your PC back to a stable state. To kick off the Network Device Installer Guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the Network Device Installer. This library manages the installation and property configuration of network adapters and wireless drivers. It interfaces with the Network and Sharing Center. If missing, the OS will fail to recognize new Wi-Fi dongles or LAN cards, citing a network driver installation failed error. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. Netdi is a core Windows component. Launch an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to scan for corruption and automatically replace missing or damaged system DLLs. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Network Device Installer component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If the restart didn't restore your connection, we need to reset the network stack and clear the protocol cache. First, open command prompt as admin, then run these two commands. Erst, type N.dll space INT space IP space REESEET, then hit enter. Second, type N.dll space WINSOCK space RESET, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, these DLLs manage the plumbing of your internet. Resetting the stack clears out corrupted cached routes and orchestration manifests. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Using an incorrect or outdated version of Network Device Installer DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on Network Device Installer. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Network Device Installer error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.